Hi, I'm Jeremy from Willowgate Landscaping, here at one of our paver driveways that we built this past winter. And we get asked sometimes, why would somebody pay to have us install a paver driveway? What's wrong with an asphalt driveway? Well, there's several advantages. One, it's beautiful. Look behind me, we got beautiful design, complements the architecture of the barn. That's great. Two, it's very durable. We don't need to continually seal it like we would an asphalt driveway. And three, it's environmentally friendly. So what do I mean by environmentally friendly? This system is permeable. Permeable means that water can flow directly through the joint into the soil rather than flooding the roadways and flooding the waterways, carrying contaminants with it down to the Chesapeake Bay. So let's talk some more about what makes these concrete pavers durable and how are they permeable. Pavers gives us flexibility to use very creative design. Here we see this beautiful diamond, contrasting borders that we use to echo the architecture of the garage. And as far as durability, concrete pavers have very high PSI. It's 8,000 plus PSI concrete, so that's very dense, meaning that water can't penetrate it. So that allows us to use de-icing salts and will not blister. Pavers we're using here have written guarantee that you can use de-icing salts and they absolutely will not blister, unlike concrete slabs, which will blister if you use de-icing salts on it. Now looking specifically at the joint material we're using here, when we first started doing permeable pavers 10 years ago, we used a fairly unattractive gravel joint fill. Flowed lots of water very quickly, but not very attractive. Here we see a new resin sand called GFTK. It is vehicular traffic rated, so we can drive vehicles across it. It's not going to break up the joint, and it still flows water very well. So instead of water sheeting off the surface, we have flowing through the joint and into our integrated stone base, which will allow water to stay there until it can percolate into the underlying soil. All of our permeable paver systems have an overflow built in. That's so that if there's a very heavy rain event, let's say it's raining for a week, the base is filling up faster than it can flow away into the soil, we put an overflow in so it won't damage the pavement. Right here we have an overflow. Just pulling the cover off. Hurricane Ian just went through here. We had 4.5 days of rain. Take a look at this pipe. It is dry. That means that after 4.5 days of rain, 5,000 square foot of area going into this paver system, and there's no overflow. That's pretty incredible. Want to learn more about products we use here in this driveway? We're using Techo-Bloc pavers called Blue 80 Slate HD, and we're using GFTK epoxy resin sands that are permeable. You can see both these products at our local dealer, Hardscape, located in New Holland.